So in order to log into the Story Video Taboo software, come into our main website. As with the other tools that we have, come into this place here, software tools, and look for the Story Video Taboo link. If you click on that, the next page that will open will be this, with a listing of all of our tools, and you look for the one which is called Story Video Taboo. You click here to log in. This screen will open up. I'm using my son's account to log in. As I'm logging in, this page displays with the actual software at hand here for us to use with all of its templates. And as we know, this software pretty much builds a professional and engaging story videos, okay, such as for you to use in your Insta stories and Facebook stories and YouTube shorts and Facebook reels, for example. Now, you probably already know that these social media apps that we have out there, they are pushing very hard for these things to come alive, and these features get pushed right at the top that we have here. So an app like Story Video Taboo really facilitates this whole process. As with the other apps that we have readily available templates to use. Because of time and in order to make this very quickly for you, I've actually already selected one of the templates and created one of the videos in advance, and the video is here. As you can see, it's complete. If you take a look at this image, and if I go back right here to the home page, you will realize that the template that I use, I think it was this one. It appears to be that one of those. But anyway, the process is you select the template that you want and you start creating your videos. So I'm gonna just take a look at this template of the video that is already complete, and I am going to just walk you through the process as if I want to edit this video. So to edit it, I click there. It is just the same as if you were going to click on any of the templates available. What will happen is you will see the built-in wording that comes with each template. What you do is you basically just rename the wording to whatever makes sense for your business and upload the image that you want to appear for the product or service that you want to portray. For this particular case, I am promoting my wife's beauty salon and her nail care services, so I took one of the images for one of our clients that was very happy with her work, and then just basically added in the words manicures, pedicures, and what do you get in her salon? Relaxing nail service. And then I click next. I put in the number for appointments, and I also write in there that we have combo deals and add in another image of the service. And over here I can change the primary color of the text and the secondary color for the text, or I can just leave it as that. Since I already created this video, I'm just walking through this process as if I am editing it. If you want to edit it, you obviously click here. As you can see, the colors change. All right, and you click right here on next if you done that, and then over here you get to select the tracks that you want to be played in the background. If I play this one, that's the corporate slides clean track. I think it's somewhere along here on here. I'm just going through this very quickly just to show you how this software works. But if I wanted to change the track, I would click this one, for example, particle holo logo, and if I go up, since I clicked on plus, you will realize that it changed the particle holo logo. And then I'll just click next and basically start rendering the video. But I will not do that because I don't want to change the video that I already made, and basically I just want to show you the results of the video so you can see how it looks. So pretty quick, as you can see, these are just story videos and that you can add for the Facebook Reels, Insta Reels, Insta Stories, and things of that nature.